Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs product review. Today I'm going to review a product. This is a camera stand. The name of the brand is Grundig for a good reason. Okay, let's read first here. Smartphone, flexible, long clip, extra langer, flexible smartphone clip. Okay, so let's unbox and I will show you the smartphone holder or camera stand. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's unbox, guys. This is the one. Tingnan natin. Look at here. Okay, I bought this one from Germany, but actually this product is made from People's Republic of China. Okay, so this is this is how it looks like, guys. It looks like that. It's white color like that. So you can bend this wire, and this one is the clip. Look at here. So let's check out. And okay, tingnan natin, guys. We will see. So this is our so this is it, guys. So this is the one. So let's uh, adjust. Okay, so this is how to adjust. This is a very flexible strong metal or wire. So this one is the clip. So we are going to fix it here in the table like this. Look here. Okay, so dito siya, i-clip natin siya sa table. So this is it here. So we will bend this one. Bend natin, look. So let's bend it here. Look, I bend this one. Look, I bended it here. So for example, I want my camera only this way. So let's just adjust. So let's move it like that. So I have here my smartphone. I'm going to keep it like that. So let's try kung makahold siya. So let's try to bend. Okay, na-bend na natin siya. So it's already like that. So I bend already. Look. It's like that. Okay. Wait, guys. Natamaan ang ano niya. Okay. So if I want this one, it is standing like this. So it will look like that. Okay. Ganyan lang siya. Pasensya na, maraming abobot sa lamisa. So it is like that. Okay, if it is standing, it just like that. Okay. So if I want to record or make a vlog, or it will be standing like this. So pag magla-live kunyara ako, I'm going to have a live streaming. I want my phone like this standing, so it will do like that. Okay, so if I want reverse side or vertical, so I have to bend this one like this. Okay, look. So binibend na natin siya. Look. So it's facing that way, but the correct position of my phone is like this. So this is the clip. We'll open it like that, and we will bring it up. So we have to adjust. So ipataas natin siya. So if I want this one to be adjusted, it will high up. It will do like that. Okay. So it will be hanging like this. Okay, guys. So this is a very flexible. This flexible camera stand look like that. So just keep it here, just clip here in the table, and just simply bend the wire or this metal and adjust it and bring it to the direction where you want to. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. This is my product review for this Grundig camera stick or camera stand. This one is flexible. This is the holder or the clip for the table, and this is the wire or the, yeah, this is the metal, or how we call this one, the flexible wire. So, and this one is the clip or the handle for the smartphone. Okay, yan. So if you want to release, just press at the back side. This one, look, this one, just press this one. Okay, pipress lang natin siya ng ganito. Press, it will open. Okay, look, press, it will open. And if you want to remove this one, we can also remove. We can adjust by turning this one. Okay, pwede natin siya ma-adjust. Okay, look, and look at here, so we can remove this one. Okay, so if you want to adjust this position with other direction, pwede natin ipataas if you want to make it more higher, so we can do it. Okay, so this is a very flexible, so you just insert this one in here. Look, insert this one here, and this one put inside it here. Look, like that. Fix it. We'll remove and fix. So if you want to lock, just simply move my moment. So just insert this one here. So ano ba yun? This one you have to insert, and this one clip it here. Click and just lock it here. Okay, you lock. Just twist this one, and this will be already locked. It will be more strong. And just press this one, this side. Okay, and you can, when it is open, so you can fix your camera in this position. If you want your camera will be it's a standing position like this, so it will be like that. Okay, standing siya. So if you want to keep it in a vertical direction, so just simply adjust this holder. Okay, ito lang siya, i-adjust lang natin siya, just adjust. Okay, like that, look. And just adjust also this one. Just simply bend it to the direction where you want to bring, in which position. Okay, just simply adjust this flexible wire. Okay, guys. Okay, this is our product review from Grundig. This is the box or the brand name Grundig, for a good reason. This is a smartphone holder. Look at this. Okay, so this is the one I show you. Just press it and just adjust the flexible wire. Okay, and this is the holder to the table. Okay, this is it. Look, so ipapress mo lang siya. Just press and clip in that table. Okay, so this is it. And this is our camera, and this is the holder. Okay, Okay guys, I hope you like this product review, this smartphone flexible holder or clip. So if you like this review, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to Rafthelsa Vlogs. And click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. This is a very multi-purpose camera holder while you are sitting down or lying in bed, and clip this in your bed, this holder, and you will have a very comfortable holder of your phone while you are watching lying in the bed. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next vlog. Ciao.